In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and run SteamOS on any compatible PC or laptop in under 10 minutes. This brand new way of installing SteamOS using Holo ISO is going to transform your PC or laptop into Steam Deck or gaming console. And without further ado, let's get started. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to use my HP Pavilion gaming laptop and show you installing SteamOS or Steam Deck OS. The procedure will be the same for any laptop or PC. The only requirements to install SteamOS on your PC or laptop are 4 gigs or higher USB pen drive, 8 gigs of RAM, and UEFI enabled device. Then open your favorite browser and go to this link. This will take you to this page. SteamOS can be installed using the Holo ISO. You can go through this page to learn more about it. Now, as you can see, these are the working stuff and the requirements to install SteamOS. Now choose releases and download the latest version of Holo ISO. While it's downloading in the background, head over to the second link and download and install Balena Etcher. After downloading Holo ISO, connect your USB pen drive to the computer and open the Balena Etcher. You can also use Rufus, DD, or Ventoy to burn the ISO to the USB drive. But for now, using Etcher, import Holo ISO, then select the drive and choose USB pen drive and click on Flash to start burning the Holo ISO. Now, this may take some time depending on the writing speed of your pen drive. Now once it's done, eject the USB drive and connect it to the PC or laptop where you want to install SteamOS. I'm going to go ahead and connect it to my laptop. Now turn on the computer and enter into BIOS settings. Use the keyboard shortcut based on your motherboard. It mostly could be F2, F9, or Escape key. The first thing to do after entering into BIOS is to enable USB boot. Then change the boot order by setting the USB drive as the primary boot. Now go ahead and disable secure boot, which is very important. It's also better to clear any keys or certificates after disabling the secure boot. Now this way it won't cause any installation problems with SteamOS. Once it's done, save the changes. Now a system will boot into SteamOS from the USB drive. If in case it fails to boot, use the boot menu to load SteamOS install media. When you see this screen, you can see two options. If your computer is having more than 8 gigs of RAM, choose the first option and choose the second option if not. This will load the SteamOS installer. Now as you can see, we are inside the live session of SteamOS. On the desktop, you will see an installer. Just go ahead and double click on it to start installing SteamOS. Then choose the installation type as Holo ISO and click on OK. Now select your drive to install Holo ISO. Choose the hard drive or SSD on your computer. Now in my case, it's the third one that says NVMe. If you notice, it also shows the name of the disk. I'm going to select the NVMe 0N1 and click on OK. Then I'm going to choose to erase the entire drive and install a fresh copy of SteamOS. Then choose to format the drive. Now go ahead and set a root password. Keep in mind, after entering the password, the written key on your keyboard may not work. Use the mouse cursor to confirm the changes. Then go ahead and create a standard user account and click on OK. You may see a warning, the entire disk is going to be erased, so please back up everything before installing SteamOS. For now, I don't have anything present on this drive, and click on yes to start installing SteamOS. Now, this may take around 10 minutes, so sit back, relax, and grab some drinks. Once the installation is complete, click on OK and shut down the computer. Once it's turned off, remove the USB drive. You go ahead and connect the Ethernet cable to a computer or laptop for an internet connection. Then turn on the computer. It will boot into SteamOS. Go ahead and choose the system language, time zone, and network. After configuring the system, it will restart and show you this screen. Just go ahead and log in into your Steam account using the account name and password. Voila, we are inside the SteamOS. You can use the mouse and keyboard to navigate across the user interface. You can use any gaming controller that will show up here. You can also use the performance overlay and adjust the performance settings. SteamOS or Steam Deck OS allows you to switch between the console and desktop mode. The desktop mode provides a plasma desktop experience. When it comes to games, I tried playing Mortal Kombat and the gameplay was fantastic. I have not noticed any hiccups or frame drops. The entire gameplay was very smooth at medium settings. Unfortunately, I could not able to play the Resident Evil 4 demo version. Every time I open it, it gets crashed for some reason. And that's pretty much it. This is how you install SteamOS on any PC or laptop and turn it into a gaming console. Let me know what do you think about it. If you have any suggestions or queries, do let me know in the comment section down below. If you notice any issues with SteamOS and fail to run as intended, you can install Linux distributions like Pop! OS or Ubuntu and install Steam Client to play Steam games. Thanks for watching my video. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.